Well, we're making that move. We're doing it. We're here on the ship. Let's all just get started. I just checked in at my assembly station, and now I'm on my way to my room. Oh, look at this room. Oh, wow. What a great room. Hey! Oh, look at this room. They upgraded me to a balcony. Oh my goodness. Fabulous. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. We'll have to go out on the balcony. This is so great. And the couch. Let me get my bags pulled in. This is great. Nice full-size bed. The closet to take a look at. You upgraded your girl to a balcony suite. Surprise! There's the TV, some shelving. Drawers. Oh my goodness. Well, this is where we're going to be taking in all the views. Hello, Galveston, Texas. Hello. Look at this. And it's not an impeded view at all. Let's go look at, let's take a look at this closet. And we get a look at that bathroom. That closet's fabulous mirror. Yay! Closet, one half of the closet. Floors. And the other half of the closet, good space. Hangers. Top shelf. Nice space. There's the bathroom. Nice size bath. Walk-in shower. Nice shower head. And now it's time to unpack. Well, let's go explore this ship. First we're gonna do is go and book our shows. Come with me. Here we go. Let's do theater. When it feels like you can't make it through, find your gratitude. Find your gratitude. 7. Monday. Let's do 7. I've gotten situated and I'm seated now and I'm having a glass of wine. Cheers! This is my first time being on the MSC Seascape. Cheers! I tried to book some shows and they only have 3 available, so you'll see that. I tried to book those. Those are one for tonight, one for tomorrow, one for Tuesday. So we've done now. This ship is so beautiful. I cannot wait to show you all around this magnificent ship. Right now I'm sitting in the Champagne Wine and Bar and just getting settled while everyone comes on board. We are going to leave in about another hour or so. So I'm just relaxing. And interestingly, I just found out what time my dinner seating is, and it's 9 p.m. So we're going to be spending a lot of time in the buffet. 9 o'clock is extremely late. I may try to do a 9 o'clock one evening just so I can experience my dining room, because I really love my dining experience. But you know, I was able to on the other ship go for earlier seating and sit in a dining room. So I'll see if I'm able to pull that off this cruise. So hang with me. I'm loving it. The Seascape, first time solo. On this ship, it's very different from the Meraviglia. You have to press the floor that you want to go to.
7, car B.
Hey, I'm about to join the sail away party. It's about to start.
We're about to get this party started in just a little bit.
Another one bites the dust.
All right. All right, we got three coming back. We got Crowley coming back.
I am in line at the 5 o'clock sitting to see if I can get a seat. Fingers crossed. Well, great news. It's 5:15 and I got seated at the early dinner. This is my restaurant. The Green Restaurant. I have to put in there what the name of it is. I don't know. I've never been on this ship before. It's my first time on the Seascape, but I'm so excited. It's the 5 o'clock seating and I have a seat all by my lonesome and I'm enjoying this beautiful, wonderful, amazing view. The sail away party was amazing, and so I rushed out of there so I could come and get in line for a seat. So all is well. I'm going to show you exactly what I've ordered for dinner tonight. Oh, I'm so excited. I am thrilled to be on this ship, and this was just such an amazing last minute trip. I was not planning it. I was just on the website looking, and oh my goodness, what a blessing. Not only did I only pay $560 for this 8-day amazing cruise to the Western Caribbean, I got on the ship and oh my goodness, my traveling friends and my soon-to-be traveling friends, they upgraded my cabin to a balcony suite. Oh my goodness, I was quite content. You'll be proud of me. I was quite content on my interior cabin, thinking I had gotten a great deal. Look how amazing God is. I am so excited. I'm so excited to share these next 8 days with you. And I want you to be right along with me every step of the way. First night, dinner. Ooh, everything has been so good. My salad was awesome. My shrimp cocktail was amazing, but you know it's time for the real deal, and you know I have to share it with you. You know you have to take the first bite, and it's cooked exactly how I like it. Look at that. Ah, it's delicious. First bite. Go. Go. It's absolutely delicious. Broccoli. delicious. My goodness, well, of course I saved room for dessert. Even though it was very, very, very hard. So, would you like some with me? First bite. Look at that. There's a slice of. Oh. Man. This is absolutely delicious. I'm full. But it's delicious. One more bite. Oh. I'm gonna have to pass on the ice cream. Dinner was amazing. I'm so glad you were able to join me. Oh, and be here with me. My first night. Ooh, let's see what else we can get into. Well, as tired as I am, oh my goodness, I started my day at 3:45. That's when I left my house. But there's a show at 7 and I really, really want to go catch it.
And welcome to the Cora Theatre. Hello! Please put your hands together, make some noise. This is Imagination!
Try, oh Lord, I'll try. Amazing. Oh, it was amazing. Oh, I just had a great time. It was great.